If you've decided to close your Credit Karma account, you can do so easily through the platform settings. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log in. Access your Credit Karma account by visiting the website and logging in with your email address and password. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. You can usually find this option by clicking on your profile picture or name in the top right corner of the screen. Close account. Look for the option to close or delete your account. This may be labeled as close account, delete account, or something similar. Confirm closure. Follow the prompts to confirm that you want to close your account. Credit Karma may ask you to provide a reason for closing your account. Verify identity. For security purposes, Credit Karma may require you to verify your identity before proceeding with the account closure process. This can involve answering security questions or confirming your email address. Submit request. Once you've completed all necessary steps, submit your request to close your account. Confirmation. You should receive confirmation that your account closure request has been received and processed. Keep in mind that closing your Credit Karma account will permanently delete your account information and access to your credit scores and reports.